Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing a head unit and a reverse camera on my car. So here's this model, which is the Sony XAV AX5000, and then just a SCA dynamic guideline reverse camera, because I can't see shit out of the back of my car, because when I have this big fucking tyre on the back, but also there's fuck all room, and I have a tray, so I can't really see what's behind me, so I need it, because I don't want to run over any kids. But yeah, I'm waiting on my mate, but he's taking a long fucking time, so I'm just going to get a start on it. Okay, so I currently have this head unit in, which came with the car, but I want this one because it's better and my mate has it. And then I don't have to touch my phone. But there we go. So this. Oh no, actually no, I can't play music. I don't want to get copyrighted. Anyway, it sounds like shit. Well, fuck me, and now he gets it. It sounds like shit, but that's what, and I know this won't change it, but it definitely will help. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's the day after. Yeah, it's the next day. I didn't finish the install because I didn't have. Okay, well no, I had a wiring harness, but the previous owner, he's soldered the original one came with the car to the one for the head unit that he put in. So I have to go and buy 2 more wiring harnesses so then it can just be plug and play. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to Autobarn now and buy those, and then I can finish the install. Hey guys, so it's the day after. I don't really think I filmed much, but we got it installed, but I'm now just going to take this out and replace it with this one that it came with, because the previous owner really fucked it up. So I'm going to do that now, and then I can show you what I had to do because of what the previous owner did. Yeah. Alright, so I ran the new mic, which is there. I ran it down there and then through, and can you put your light on please, because the lighting in here is shocking. Okay, so I ran it through and then it came out here. Now, can you put your light up here? And then it plugged in to somewhere there. So what I had to do for the head unit, because the previous owner got the original wiring harness, cut it, and then soldered the one that was you soldered the head unit, the wiring harness from the head unit he put in to the original wiring harness in the car. So I had to go and buy another 2 additional ones, which is those white ones there, and then plugged into these red ones, which plugged in to the back of the head unit. So it does work. Takes a sec. Yeah, oh shit, there you go. So yeah, there's copyright. Stop! Okay, so yeah, everything works, maps, phone, I've got my working now. But my speakers are blown, or most of them, so like so yeah, so that noise, yeah, so that noise, that's a problem, and that happens in most of them, so I'm replacing them possibly tomorrow, but if not soon. Yeah, and then hopefully it should sound better, and then eventually I'll go sub and replace the amp, because the amp that's in there is shit house. Yeah, I think that's it.
If I buy the wire.
Nothing of that.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I know it was a pretty shit install, so I didn't really film much. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and there will be more videos soon. Because I now have a car, which you will find that out in the video that I post before this. Content. Hey guys, just before the video ends, quick update. So I have replaced, I think I said when I was showing you that the head unit worked, I was going to replace my speakers, and I've done that. So I didn't film it because I did it with my uncle, and he put me like, what the fuck are you doing? Because, you know, that's just the way my uncle is. But I replaced all four. It cost me $166 or something, which is pretty good. They're all Sony speakers as well, so it's all compatible. I'll play a song with a bit of bass so you can hear, like, so you can hear the difference. But yeah, they are very good. It's definitely worth replacing them because the old ones were just completely fucked. Yeah. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but like,
on the people, my head is the roof, dancing on the ceiling on the people. I got people on the people dancing.
So I've got it set on 20. Close my door so the whole street can't hear it. Well, I mean they can, but anyway. This is only on 20. I have adjusted the sound on like the actual head unit. I've messed around with the settings. This is only about, yeah, this is only on 20.
On the people, my head is the roof, dancing on the ceiling on the people. I got people on the dancing on the people. I got people.
So yeah, you can hear the difference. But yeah, definitely well worth it. And I also did a little mod. My uncle said I had to get, so I'll just put this down. Yeah. So what I did was this. I put these on. So I put gas shocks on. So now I don't have to use a bonnet shut anymore. They were like $30 from some website. My uncle got them for me. But yeah, definitely well worth it because it's just a lot easier than you have to bother with this shitty thing. Yeah, it's a bit squeaky because I haven't used them much, but oh shit. But yeah, definitely worth getting them. They're very helpful. Yeah. And that's it. Hopefully more videos coming soon. Planning on changing my rims and maybe a throttle controller, and I'm gonna do some change, add some reverse lights and change like one of them, like change them out. But yeah, I think that's it. See you guys in the next one.